Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. The science behind HHO gas and its ability to improve combustion efficiency represents a fascinating and practical innovation in energy technology. As the world seeks solutions to reduce emissions and fuel consumption, HHO gas emerges as a transitional technology with immediate benefits for internal combustion engines. Its potential to optimize how fuel is burned within an engine makes it an attractive choice for both individual drivers and commercial fleet operators looking for sustainable, cost-effective upgrades. This deeper dive explores how HHO gas works, the science driving its efficiency, and the tangible benefits it offers in real-world applications across various industries. HHO gas, also known as Brown's gas, is a mixture of hydrogen, H2, and oxygen, O2, produced through a process called water electrolysis. Electrolysis involves passing an electric current through water, causing it to separate into its base elements of hydrogen and oxygen. These gases are combined in a specific ratio to form HHO gas, which is then introduced into the engine's air intake system. The integration of HHO gas into traditional combustion engines has a profound impact on the way fuel is burned, leading to increased efficiency and reduced emissions. This improvement stems from the unique properties of hydrogen as a fuel. Hydrogen burns much faster than gasoline or diesel and at a higher temperature, ensuring that the primary fuel is burned more completely during the engine's combustion cycle. The process of combustion within an engine typically involves the mixing of air and fuel, which is then ignited to produce energy. However, in many cases, this process is inefficient, with a significant portion of the fuel remaining unburned and expelled through the exhaust as waste. This inefficiency not only leads to higher fuel consumption but also contributes to increased emissions of harmful pollutants such as carbon monoxide, CO, and nitrogen oxides, NOx. When HHO gas is introduced into the combustion process, it acts as a catalyst, enhancing the combustion dynamics. Hydrogen's high flame speed allows the combustion reaction to occur more quickly and thoroughly, maximizing the energy extracted from the fuel and reducing waste. One of the key scientific principles that makes HHO gas effective is its ability to improve the air-fuel ratio within the combustion chamber. By adding oxygen and hydrogen to the existing fuel mixture, HHO gas promotes a more balanced and optimal combustion environment. This leads to several important benefits. First, it improves thermal efficiency, which refers to how effectively an engine converts fuel into usable energy. With HHO gas, less energy is lost as heat, and more is directed toward powering the engine. Second, it reduces the formation of harmful byproducts. Cleaner combustion minimizes the production of pollutants such as unburned hydrocarbons and particulate matter, making engines equipped with HHO systems more environmentally friendly. The real-world benefits of HHO gas are not just theoretical, they have been demonstrated in various applications. Drivers and fleet operators who have adopted HHO technology consistently report substantial improvements in fuel efficiency, often ranging from 15% to 30%. For example, in long-haul trucking, where fuel costs constitute a significant portion of operating expenses, even modest efficiency gains can translate into substantial financial savings. A truck that covers 100,000 miles annually could save thousands of dollars in fuel costs with the integration of an HHO generator. These savings make HHO technology an attractive option for commercial fleets, where cumulative cost reductions across multiple vehicles can significantly improve profitability. In addition to cost savings, HHO gas has a notable impact on engine performance. Engines equipped with HHO generators exhibit smoother operation and better throttle response, particularly under challenging conditions such as heavy loads or steep inclines. The introduction of HHO gas enhances the combustion process, providing more consistent power output and reducing issues such as engine knock. Drivers often report improved acceleration and overall driving experience, making HHO systems a valuable upgrade for vehicles that require reliable and efficient performance. HHO gas also plays a critical role in reducing engine wear and maintenance requirements. Traditional combustion processes often result in the buildup of carbon deposits on engine components such as pistons, valves, and injectors. These deposits can impede engine efficiency, increase fuel consumption, and lead to costly repairs over time. By promoting cleaner combustion, HHO gas minimizes the formation of these deposits, extending the lifespan of critical engine parts. In some cases, the hydrogen component of HHO gas even helps to break down existing carbon buildup, effectively cleaning the engine during operation. This self-cleaning effect not only reduces maintenance costs but also improves overall engine reliability. Another advantage of HHO technology is its accessibility and ease of implementation. Unlike transitioning to electric or hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, which often require significant infrastructure changes and high upfront costs, HHO generators are relatively affordable and straightforward to install. They are compatible with most internal combustion engines, including those in cars, trucks, buses, and industrial machinery. This makes HHO systems an ideal retrofit solution for individuals and businesses looking to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions without replacing their existing vehicles. The installation process typically involves integrating the HHO generator with the vehicle's electrical system and air intake, allowing the system to produce HHO gas on demand without the need for storage or additional infrastructure. HHO gas also offers versatility in its applications. Beyond transportation, industries such as agriculture, construction, and marine transportation can benefit from the efficiency improvements provided by HHO technology. Agricultural equipment such as tractors and combines often operate for extended periods under demanding conditions, consuming large amounts of fuel. Similarly, construction equipment like excavators and bulldozers can achieve greater fuel efficiency and reduced emissions by incorporating HHO generators. Marine engines, which often face challenges related to emissions regulations and fuel costs, are another area where HHO gas has proven to be highly effective. The ability of HHO technology to adapt to diverse applications highlights its value as a multi-purpose solution for improving combustion efficiency across sectors. While HHO gas offers numerous benefits, it is essential to understand its role as a transitional technology. It enhances the performance of internal combustion engines, making them cleaner and more efficient, but it does not eliminate the use of fossil fuels entirely. As such, HHO systems are best viewed as a bridge to more sustainable energy solutions, such as hydrogen fuel cells or electric vehicles. These advanced technologies represent the long-term future of transportation, but their widespread adoption is currently limited by factors such as high costs and infrastructure challenges. In the meantime, HHO gas provides an immediate and practical way to address some of the most pressing issues associated with traditional combustion engines. The adoption of HHO technology also aligns with global efforts to combat climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Governments around the world are setting ambitious targets to achieve net zero emissions, and industries are being encouraged to adopt cleaner energy practices. By integrating HHO gas into their operations, companies can demonstrate their commitment to sustainability while achieving measurable improvements in efficiency and cost savings. This dual benefit makes HHO systems a strategic choice for organizations looking to balance environmental responsibility with economic performance. In conclusion, the science behind HHO gas and its ability to improve combustion efficiency highlights its potential as a transformative technology for internal combustion engines. By enhancing the combustion process, HHO gas delivers tangible benefits, including improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, enhanced engine performance, and lower maintenance costs. Its affordability and ease of integration make it an accessible solution for both individual drivers and commercial operators. As the world moves toward cleaner and more sustainable energy solutions, HHO gas stands out as a practical and effective option for optimizing existing systems. For those seeking to reduce fuel costs, improve engine performance, and contribute to a cleaner environment, HHO technology offers a compelling opportunity to drive change today. As research and development in this field continue to advance, the potential applications and benefits of HHO gas are likely to expand, solidifying its role as a key player in the transition towards sustainable energy. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.